Well, this is about as close as I've come to an actual flood. I can't believe I don't even know if I should try this. Fucking ducks are in the middle of the road. Jesus H. Christ, should I even try this? Oh, shit. Shit. Fuck me. It's a fucking flood and I am fucking soaked. Fuck me. Look at this shit. Fucking Ohio. Motherfucking nature. It's a fucking flood. I can't even get past it if I wanted to. Fucker. Says H. Christ. How the fuck am I gonna get home? I have to go over there. Jesus H. Fuck this. Well, here we go again. They had to actually push a car out because it was in so deep. So I'm guessing. Oh my God. Hey. Holy shit. I don't know how smart that was, but it looks like he's gonna make it.